Good morning, all of you. Myself, Anjani Saraf, scholar of Dr. C.V. Raman University, Kota, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. My research topic is use of e-information sources by UG and PG students of Dr. C.V. Raman University, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. My introduction portion is that libraries plays an important role in the all-round development of society. In today's era, the numerous and invaluable resources provided by libraries help people in their study, learning, work, and activities. During the festive period, users of every field like students, teachers, scientists, businessmen, and government employees use library resources for their work. We know that information sources evolved with the invention of the printing machine and with the development of information technology. It became easier to collect, store, organize, access, and retrieve this information. E-information sources. Different e-information sources which are using mostly by users they are that are e-books, e-journals on online database, CD-ROM, other portable computer database, e-thesis, etc. Objectives that to analysis available facilities for using electronic information sources in the library. Second, to ascertain the awareness of university undergraduate and postgraduate students to use electronic information sources to study the types of e-information sources which are used most often by the students of the university, and then to study interest of the users in information sources, then to identify the problems faced by the users of frequently while using e-information sources, and then to investigate the satisfaction level of student of the university with e-information sources. Methodology. To fulfill the objective of this research, self-designed questionnaires is prepared to collect the information regarding the awareness of information sources, types of e-information sources, which are used most often, interest of the users regarding e-information sources, problems faced by users while using e-information sources, and satisfaction level of the student. A detailed and proper structured questionnaire was designed with 20 questions. Each questions include multiple choice answer. About 100 questionnaires were distributed to the randomly selected UG and PG students from all departments of C.V. Raman University, and 88 duly filled questionnaires were returned back. Analysis and presentation. Table 1, degree-wise classification is confirmed that the present study have out of 88 respondents, 58 were PG students and 34% were UG students. Yes. Table 2, the analysis of table 2 shows that out of 88 respondents, 72% were female and 28% were male. Explain that table 3 is explaining that in 88 respondents, 93% were aware about e-information sources and 7% were not aware about e-information sources. Table 4. The analysis of data in table 4 shows that mostly respondents were frequently using e-books, e-thesis, dissertation, and e-journals. It shows by their responses, which are 24%, 22%, and 20% respectively, and e-magazines 12%, e-database 8%. Further, 14% respondents told that they were using all mentioned e-information sources. Table 5 indicate that 35% of respondents access e-information sources daily, 32% were used once in a week, 22% were used weekly twice, and 12% were used e-information sources occasionally. Yes. Table 6. The analysis of data in table 6 shows that mostly respondent 31% were thinking is a time saver. According to 35% is it is a simultaneous use. 18% were thinking it is easy to use. 15% are confirming that it is giving archival facility. According to 11%, it is more flexible. Yes. In table 7, indicate that mostly respondents were frequently using e-information sources about project and assignment, study and update, and literature search. It shows by their responses, which are 43%, 38%, and 19% respectively. Table 8 shows that mostly 42% respondents were using internet at Central Library, 36% at their respective departments, 16% were using at home, and rare respondents, 6% were using internet at the cyber cafe. Table 9. Table 9 indicate that according to mostly 43% respondents were knowing about information sources by library notice, board, and circular. 26% by university website, 23% by library staff, and according to very few, 8% respondents were knowing about information sources by friends. Table 10. The analysis of table 10 shows that percentage of majority respondents, 95% says that library staff are supportive, and minority respondents, 5% opposes that library staff are supportive. Table 11. The analysis of data in table 11 shows that 55% respondents were fully satisfied, 27% satisfied, and 10% less satisfied, and 8% were dissatisfied with information sources. Table 12. Table 12 it shows that 60% respondents satisfied and 40% dissatisfied with internet facility in library. Table 13 indicate that the most problem faced by the users in access speed are slow, 51%, second connectivity problem, 32%, third problem infrastructure are not suitable, 9%, library staff are not supportive, 5%, library time is not suitable, 3%. Finding and discussion. We know that the library is a growing organism, and its basis in the five law given by the Dr. S.R. Ranganathan ji. And in today's context, if this premise is to be maintained, then accepting the e-format of information material and implementing it in your library is also the ultimate duty and necessity of the library. And by doing this work, Dr. C.V. Raman University Library has converted its information sources up to 90% in e-format. Most of the students here are aware and satisfied with these e-information sources and are constantly using it to update notes, assignment, project, and their knowledge. The students here get full support of the staff because this university is in rural area. Hence, there is a great need for high-speed Wi-Fi here so that students can use online information sources and internet. This university is constantly striving for this work. Thanks. Thank you very much, everyone.